all the roots in your ground. I'll be a wrecking ball, brick wall, glass of wine or whiskey strong.
Delicious. Almost as delicious as this fantastic house we're going to tour today. So today we're at a bungalow farmhouse located just north of Bolton. It's a big property, so you have lots of opportunities for recreational activities, including putting a pool in if that's what you like. If you're looking to downsize, this house is also meeting all the needs that you could think of. But let's go take a look for yourself and let's see what you have to say.
I lay next to you, I lay next to you. From sundown to sunrise, that line truth, that sober high, your last bet to buy. An open field, a wild horse, those four wheels if you're wanting more. Or if you just wanna ride, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies follow you, let my hands receive you. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If you fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If they fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies follow you, let my hands receive you. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give me space, let your dreams take flight. If you fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall.
And just like that, you could enjoy this gorgeous bungalow, this beautiful backyard, these mature trees, and what's even more, you'd be able to enjoy the sunset after a long day at work. So make sure you come out and see this property today before it's gone.